Need to collect sales tax or VAT on your Stripe transactions? Managing taxes can seem complex, but Stripe offers tools to simplify the process. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to add and configure tax settings for your payments on Stripe. To set up tax collection, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Products or Billing section, depending on how you structure your offerings. Look for a Taxes or Tax Rates option within these menus. Here, you can define different tax rates based on location or product type. You'll typically enter the tax percentage and whether it's inclusive or exclusive of the price. Stripe Tax, a more automated solution, can also be enabled, which calculates and collects sales tax globally. Finally, apply the tax rates to your products, subscriptions, or invoices. When customers make a purchase, Stripe will automatically apply the correct tax based on your settings and their location. Remember to consult with a tax professional for specific advice on your tax obligations. And there you have it. Adding tax to your Stripe payments helps keep you compliant. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.